Look at this. Did you see the mistake made by driver 2 at the intersection? So what about driver 1? Did he violate the rules of the road? Let's take a closer look. The dash cam driver had the green light when the first driver made the right turn, after which the second driver proceeded. Since both directions cannot have the green light at the same time, it becomes clear that the second driver failed to comply with the traffic signal and ran the red light. But why? What caused the confusion? Let's break it down. The driver who made the right turn is permitted to do so, provided it is safe and the path is clear, since he is not crossing oncoming traffic. There are 3 sets of signals visible, indicating controlled traffic flow through the intersection. The second driver, however, made a critical error and should have known that under no circumstances should a red light be ignored unless the signal is malfunctioning or a police officer is present and directing traffic. This is a clear failure to comply with basic traffic control rules. The driver's decision to enter the intersection could have resulted in a far more serious collision. So, what do you think? This would be considered dangerous driving. So should the driver who caused this incident be required to attend mandatory refresher training before being allowed to drive again? Leave your comment. If you found value, remember to subscribe. Drive by. Real drivers, real mistakes, real lessons.